12 surprising health benefits of olive oil. 1. It's packed with polyphenols. Extra virgin olive oil is a particularly abundant source of polyphenols, natural bioactive compounds with antioxidant properties that are found in plant foods like fruits, veggies, and olives. 2. It strongly promotes cardiovascular health. 3. It may reduce risk of certain cancers. 4. It supports healthy memory plus brain function. 5. It supports healthy mental outlook plus mood. 6. It combats pain plus inflammation. 7. It may boost bone health plus strength. 8. It supports a healthy gut microbiome. 9. It supports a healthy immune system. 10. It balances blood sugar and may help prevent diabetes. 11. It may help you lose weight. 12. It's the healthiest oil you can cook with. Ingredients: olive oil, milk. Drink 1 glass before bed.